In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a Hugo site which will support only YAML format. By default, when you install a site or when you create a website using Hugo, then generally it creates normal formatted file format. But here I will show you the trick how you can directly do that. So I will show you from the beginning. So let's open your C drive or the location where you want to create the site. I'm going to put the site inside the C drive in Hugo folder. So I'm going to right click and then I'm going to open a new folder. Suppose the name of the folder is like FewSteps. And when you create it, here everything is empty. Now we'll create a Hugo website over here. So I am going to use Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to click this start menu of Windows and I'm going to type Visual Studio and it will show Visual Studio Code is there. I already installed that. If you don't have this, you can install it, which is free. So I'm going to open it and Visual Studio Code will be opened. Now this is the Visual Studio Code. What we need to do, we need to drag this folder to this Visual Studio Code so that it can be configured properly. I'm going to drag and drop it inside it and see here FewSteps folder is there. So this is the folder and it's empty, and here also it's empty, nothing is there. Now we need to install the Hugo site first, and I will use the YAML format Hugo site. So I'm going to open the terminal. Here is the terminal, and then I'm going to type a command ls to check whether this folder is empty or not. If this folder is not empty, basically it will not show anything. If it is not, it will show all the files, and if it is empty, it will be like empty, nothing will be there. So this install process to use, you must need to clean everything first, then you only will be able to do this step. Now at first we need to type a command to create a site in Hugo. It is Hugo, then a space, then for new site it should be new keyword, and then we have to mention this website. So we'll type site and then we have to press enter and space, and then I'm going to put the file or create the website here. So I'm going to put a dot for root directory to select that, and then I'm going to assign the format. To assign the format, we have to type a command dash then format, and then we want to create this website or Hugo site using YAML format. So I'm going to mention it over there, and then we have to hit return key of our keyboard, and we'll see this type of files or folders it is created, and this type of outlook it is coming. That means our Hugo site has been installed properly. Now let's let's add a theme over there. We need a theme to add this project basically. So I'm going to use the paper mode theme, so which is a very good theme, but you are free to use any of the theme. So this is the paper mode theme download page. I'm going to download the paper mode from here, and the theme will be downloaded on the downloads folder. Once it is downloaded over there, I'm going to access downloads folder and I'm going to extract this thing. This is the theme. This is the previous one. I'm going to remove. So this is the paper mode theme which I downloaded. See, here is the time. Right click and extract it. It will be extracted here in a folder, and after the extraction is complete, it will open the folder automatically. So this is the folder. So I'm going to close it. I'm going to open from here, double click and double click. This is the theme, right? Theme files and folders. Now let's open a new tab on the file explorer and then go to the install location of Hugo website. So this is C drive Hugo, and inside it there is like FewSteps. So we have to access there, and for all theme we need to access the themes folder. So I'm going to double click to access the themes. It is empty because there is no theme. Now I'm going to copy this thing, right click and copy, and then I'm going to paste it over here and paste it. Once I paste it there, I need to rename this file. So I'm going to type F2 key to rename it, or you can right click rename and make the name change like paper mode. And also I'm going to remove this part also, enter. So this is the paper mode. Now let's go to the Visual Studio, and inside this basically we need to change the theme, not theme name, basically we need to configure the theme. So I'm going to click Hugo YAML file and I'm going to add a line theme, and then I have to type the theme name. The theme name is like paper mode. That's it. Now we have to save it, rerun the Hugo server this command and hit enter key, and if everything is fine, if there is no error, it will be like this. Now we can access this URL again on the browser and we'll check whether it is working properly or not. I'm going to refresh it, and here we are seeing that it is loading. It loaded successfully. So that's it, guys. In this way, basically we can create a Hugo site using only the YAML formatted file system. Thanks again for watching the video.